Welcome to Prologue's podcast. The persona we have today is the shining star of Pakistan. Today we'll explore the incredible journey of world's youngest chartered accountant, an inspirational story of breaking determination, passion, and relentless pursuits of excellence. Welcome, Huria. How are you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm good too. Huria, before discussing this achievement, आप अपनी early life के बारे में हमारी audience को कुछ बताएं. Life में ऐसा कौन सा moment था when you realized that pursuing chartered accountancy degree was your path to the successful career?
I would say that since childhood, I always wanted to be a boss lady. So I'm the eldest of my sisters. We are three sisters. I'm the eldest one, or actually I'm the eldest one in my family. So we are joint family. So I always wanted to be a boss lady. Or whenever I used to watch TV, तो मैं कभी कोई corporate female आती थी ना, तो I used to say कि हाँ मैंने ना ये बनना है, मैं ना ऐसी बनूंगी. It was like जब I was like 5-6 years old. So I think gradually, when I grew up, it wasn't something that I had planned. I did my O-levels and A-levels privately. I was very young when I started my O-levels. I was 12 when I was doing my O-levels, and I had my business and accounting subjects while doing my O-levels. I had accounting too. Initially, I had zero interest in accounting, to be honest. In A levels, when I was doing my when I was studying actually, so that is when the interest in accounting actually developed, because that is when I actually started understanding it. I believe I was always good at maths. This is why I wanted to pursue accounting, because I think for females it's one of the best fields that's available. One of the best that provides the best opportunities, not only in Pakistan but worldwide. Further to this, when actually before I decided to become a chartered accountant, when I was going through the syllabus, the curriculum, so I was confused because ACCA करूँ या CA करूँ, because at that time ACCA was much more popular than CA, because आपको exemptions मिल जाते थे for CA. But when I went to the curriculum of CA, so I believed that it was more thorough than ACCA. So that was an additional advantage and additional motive, I would say, that because of which I decided to pursue my career in chartered accountancy.
Okay. As a female student, what were the challenges you had to face and how did you tackle them, and who was your biggest support during this journey?
Challenges, I would say, I actually had a lot of challenges, majorly because of my age. That was one of the major challenges that I faced, especially when I was doing my articles, because I was 16 when I started when I joined Ferguson. और उस टाइम पे आई रिमेम्बर कि नो पार्टनर वाज एक्चुअली विलिंग, बिकॉज दे वर लाइक अच्छा एक छोटी बच्ची आ गई है हमारी टीम में, अब क्या करना है, ऐसे कौन से क्लाइंट पे भेजना है. एंड आई रिमेम्बर माय फर्स्ट क्लाइंट वाज पैकेजेस. और जब मैं उधर गई तो क्लाइंट के लोग आके दे वर my senior told me कि वो client के लोग आके कह रहे हैं तुम क्या बच्ची को ले आए हो. उस टाइम पे I did not realize it, but when I look at a 16-year-old now, I do realize कि हाँ, I was quite young at that time. But I think although that was a very challenging thing, I faced a lot of hurdles. I faced a lot of remarks and comments from every side. But when I look back at everything now, I think that okay, it was worth it. It's okay now.
हुरिया, जब हम अपनी फैमिलीज में या सोसाइटी में पूछे जाने पे बताते हैं कि हम सीए कर रहे हैं, तो ज्यादातर लोग बेसाख्ता ये कह देते हैं कि ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है. What do you think about this perspective?
Okay, so I will start this कि ये इस तरह की जो हम सुनते हैं कि सीए काफ़ी मुश्किल है. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया, I used to hear that a lot कि हाँ बूढ़े हो जाते हैं लोग करते करते. So one thing that I actually analyzed during this whole tenure was कि रीज़न क्या है इसमें, सीए में फेलियर की रीज़न क्या है. आइदर कि ये बहुत मुश्किल है या कुछ और रीज़न है. So what I concluded was कि सीए में जो एंट्री है that's quite easy as compared to medical or engineering, जहाँ पे there's a very high merit, right? So a lot of people used to come here because उनको कहीं और नहीं opportunity मिली, so they decided to become a chartered accountant because इसमें entry आसान है. तो but on the other hand, जो लोग I think कि जो अपने पैशन से आए या इस intention से आए that they want to become a chartered accountant because जिन्होंने पहले से प्लान किया हुआ था इसको, I haven't seen a single person जो कि नहीं कर सका qualify. I haven't seen it. I don't know if you have, but I haven't. तो आई थिंक द मेजर रीजन फॉर फेलियर इन सीए इज कि यहाँ पर लोग आ तो जाते हैं, बट बिकॉज उनकी एक उस तरह से मोटिवेशन आई वुड से नहीं होती टू बिकम अ सीए, तो वो इस वजह से वो इन द एंड वो उसको नहीं क्लियर कर पाते. सो दिस इज वाई आई थिंक कि एक मिथ बन चुकी है कि हाँ सीए बहुत मुश्किल है. हाँ, इट इज डिफिकल्ट, आई वुड से कि उसमें आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, आपको पढ़ना पड़ता है, बट मेडिकल में भी पढ़ना पड़ता है, आपको इंजीनियरिंग में भी पढ़ना पड़ता है, आपने कहीं भी एक्सेल करना है, यू हैव टू स्टडी, राइट? सो दैट इक्वली अप्लाइज एवरीवेयर.
So, as you have achieved the Guinness World Record, so how are you feeling emotionally at this stage of your life?
So I qualified in 2016. So it already have been like 8 years almost, more than 7 years actually. So accomplishment मेरी काफ़ी पहले की थी, बट आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि अच्छा ये शायद मेरी पर्सनल अचीवमेंट है. और इनिशियली वेरी ऑनेस्टली इफ आई टेल यू, तो मैं इनिशियली नहीं बताती थी लोगों को, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांट पीपल टू थिंक कि मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ. बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर जॉब्स, और जब मेरी एज सामने आती थी तो पीपल यूज टू थिंक कि नहीं बहुत छोटी है, पता नहीं ये मैनेजरियल पोजीशन पे काम कर सकेगी नहीं कर सकेगी. तो देयर वर दैट फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व. तो उस टाइम पे मैं नहीं बताती थी लोगों को कि मैंने इतनी अर्ली एज में कर लिया. आई यूज टू हाइड माई एज एक्चुअली, बिकॉज जस्ट बिकॉज कि मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ. तो मैं उसको उस फोरम के ऊपर ना मैंने उसको इस तरह से अचीवमेंट समझा था उस टाइम पे, ना मैंने कभी इसको एक्सप्लिसिटली आई नेवर यूज्ड टू टेल पीपल एक्चुअली. बट नाउ रिसेंटली जब मुझे पता चला दैट एन इंडियन गर्ल हैज क्लेम दिस रिकॉर्ड, और देन आई थॉट कि अच्छा मे बी इफ आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट माई कंट्री एट अ ग्लोबल लेवल, सो मे बी आई शुड क्लेम दिस रिकॉर्ड. सो दैट इज व्हेन आई went to the website, I claimed a record of it. There was a process of 2-3 months जिसके अंदर वो back and forth communication चलती रही उनके साथ, and then I finally got it in January. So yes, it actually feels good because obviously लोगों के लिए शायद it's something like कि हाँ qualify हो क्या, it just happened. But I know कि मेरे लिए काफ़ी लंबा प्रोसेस था, नॉट जस्ट फॉर मी बट फॉर माई फैमिली एज वेल, माई पेरेंट्स, माई फादर, माई मदर. आई रिमेंबर द स्ट्रगल्स, not just my parents, my whole family, my uncles, my aunties, because we are a joint family, so everyone used to support me. अगर मैं कुछ आपसे शेयर करूँ, so I remember कि when I was doing my A-levels, तो जिस तरह लोड शेडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी उस टाइम पे. मैंने बहुत कम टाइम में किया था, बिकॉज आई डिड माई O-levels, A-levels both in 1 year for A-levels and O-levels. तो उसमें लोड शेडिंग होती थी. तो my sister, my younger sister and my cousin, they were like 7-8 years old, I don't know, maybe. और वो मुझे ना पंखा कर रहे होते थे हाथ से, और मैं पढ़ रही होती थी, और वो मुझे कागज लेके या बुक लेके मुझे पंखा कर रहे होते थे रात के 10-11 बजे, और मैं पढ़ रही हूँ लाइट में, एक बल्ब में. सो वो सिर्फ मेरी स्ट्रगल नहीं थी, मेरी पूरी फैमिली की स्ट्रगल थी वो. तो व्हेन आई होल्ड दैट सर्टिफिकेट, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि वो मेरी एक अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट है, वो मेरी फैमिली की अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट है, मेरे फादर की, मेरे मदर की अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट है. सो इट एक्चुअली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. यस.
इस अचीवमेंट के बाद फर्दर आपके लिए क्या न्यू डोर्स ओपन हुए? व्हाट वर द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी यू गॉट आफ्टर दिस?
So I've already been working in industry for a while. For almost 7 years I've been working. उस तरह से directly नहीं impact आया, because obviously I'm already on the track already. So, but yes, there have been recognition in in the company that I'm working in. Or although people already knew me, but in finance, especially, of course, because it's a big department. But अब ये है कि हाँ, everyone at my company know me. So yes, it feels good.
So Ria, what is your current position? Like, where are you working now?
I'm working at Nestle right now.
Okay. So as a female CA student, what were the challenges you had to face, particularly related to females?
Females, because अगर हम जनरली देखें for maths, for accounting, अभी उस टाइम पे अगर मैं कहूँ back in 2012-13 when I started this year, उस टाइम पे इतनी acceptability, yeah, I won't use the word acceptability, but it wasn't a norm for a female chartered accountant. I remember कि उस टाइम पे there was a class of 100 students, only 4 or 5 were females. तो इस तरह से ratio जो थी, that was highly skewed at that time. because people would say कि नहीं इसमें काफी एज हो जाती है करते करते, मे बी हमें लड़कियों को नहीं भेजना चाहिए because they have to get married at an early age, तो नहीं लड़कियों को भेजना चाहिए. या आर्टिकल्स होंगे तो आर्टिकल्स में they cannot do late cheating, तो मे बी फर्म्स जो है वो हायर नहीं करेंगी, मे बी फर्म्स इंडक्ट नहीं करेंगी, तो उधर एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी नहीं होगी, तो अच्छा फीमेल्स को शायद नहीं ऑप्ट करनी चाहिए. प्लस ये है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव एसोसिएटेड फीमेल्स विद द मेडिकल सेगमेंट कि हाँ लड़की है तो उसको डॉक्टर बना लो, दैट्स द इजीएस्ट ऑप्शन. So, but up when I look, what I have discussed with people, or I was recently with my teachers from scans, and I was discussing कि अब किस तरह से ratio है girls और females और males की. So they were telling me, and actually I delivered a lecture to one of their classes, or to females, say surprisingly they were more than males. So that was really good. That was really inspiring कि अच्छा finally females जो हैं वो आ रही हैं इसमें. Plus जो MNCs and a lot of companies actually they are working on gender diversity. So they have like targets to meet, like for example they have to maintain a 50-50 ratio by 2025 and etc. So they are actually promoting कि हाँ females जो हैं वो इस field के अंदर ज़्यादा आएं. और since females आनी शुरू हुई हैं, so companies have seen कि it actually makes a lot of difference in how things work, because males and females have a very different style of working, and I think it brings a perfect blend to the culture and the organization as a whole. So yes.
How professional life looks like, and what aspects of your professional life do you find most fulfilling?
Professional life is for some people student life is better, but I think a professional life is much better than the student life, because you're actually earning here, so you can actually spend, you have money, and it actually feels good. I've been working as a business partner. Previously I was working in Halif Foods as manager supply chain finance. Here I'm working in a business partnership role at Nestle. I was working with dairy division, and currently I'm in waters division. What actually feels great about this role is, first of all, मैं एक business partnership के ऊपर थोड़ा सा I would like to emphasize a bit on this. So people think कि अच्छा finance का जो काम है ना, that's like recording and double entry and preparing balance sheet and this, or yeah, basically related to the past transactions. But in the last decade or 20 years, past 20 years में the finance role has evolved to such an extent कि अब जो है business partnership का concept जो है वो आ चुका है, ठीक है. पहले आ चुका था, पाकिस्तान में recently introduce हुआ है, but still business partnership का जो concept है that is there, जिसमें people know कि हाँ जो finance partner है that actually plays a critical role in the organization. Finance की जो need है that has increased significantly. उसमें I've been working as a business partner. I was working as a business partner in Halib, or अभी Nestle में भी I have the same role. इसमें what actually I feel fulfilling is कि I know कि the decisions, the numbers, the calculations that I am doing is actually making an impact on the organization. So for instance, I know कि अगर एक पानी की बोतल है, and whether or not इसकी next month हमने pricing लेनी है कि नहीं लेनी, that decision is based on the working that I will be providing to the business head, और जो मेरी working है that actually is adding value to the organization. So this is something that I actually find very fulfilling, instead of being a back-end resource or just putting in entries on the Excel or some system. So yes.
अच्छा हुआ, अगर आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ना होती, so what other options would you have thought might have added value to your life or to your society?
I wanted to be a teacher. My father was a teacher. My grandmother was a teacher. I think this is something that is in my genes, and I personally believe that I would have been a good teacher. मुझे पढ़ाने का शुरू से शौक था, बिकॉज हम बचपन में भी यूज टू प्ले, लाइक मैं अपनी बहनों को बिठा लेती थी और मैं कहती थी आओ मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाती हूँ. तो आई थिंक कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू डू. I actually wanted to teach in CA, but I think that because of some time limitation, that's not something that was doable. But maybe in the future, you never know.
So what are your future plans?
In the future, I would like to remain in the role of this business co-piloting and business partnership, at least for the next 10 years.
तो अभी आपका टीचर की साइड पे जाने का कोई
Not currently. I don't know. Maybe I will maybe I will pursue it as a part-time thing, but not as a full-time currently. In the future, probably I will be starting my own consultancy firm, inshallah. But not currently. I don't have any such plans currently because I think there's a lot to learn right now.
Thank you, Huria. Best wishes for your future, and thank you for joining us in this podcast. And stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.